Picture this. You're 30,000 feet above the Pacific, your back's aching, your feet are swelling, and you still have 8 hours left in what feels like a flying torture chamber. Meanwhile, the passenger next to you looks calm, rested, and somehow turned economy class into a personal sanctuary. What do they know that you don't? Subscribe right now, because today we're exposing the 7 biggest flight mistakes that separate miserable travelers from the ones who actually arrive refreshed. Most people think suffering on long flights is just part of the deal, but it's not. After reviewing thousands of travel reports and speaking with flight attendants who've seen it all, we've found comfort isn't about luck or buying business class. It's about avoiding 7 critical mistakes most travelers make without realizing it. And trust me, by the time we reach mistake number 1, you'll know exactly how some passengers crack the code while others endure hours of avoidable misery. Flight mistake number 7, failing to beat jet lag. Most travelers wait until they reach their destination to start adjusting their body clock, but that's backwards thinking. Smart travelers begin their jet lag strategy the moment they board the plane. Here's why this works. Your body's internal clock responds to light exposure and meal timing more than actual time zones. The mistake most people make is keeping their home time zone mindset throughout the flight. Instead, immediately set your watch to your destination time and start living by that schedule. If it's nighttime at your destination, dim your screen, avoid caffeine, and signal to your brain that sleep time has arrived. If it's daytime there, expose yourself to light and stay alert. My friend Sarah learned this trick before flying from New York to Tokyo. She adjusted her eating and sleeping schedule to Tokyo time from takeoff and arrived feeling like she'd only traveled a few hours instead of halfway around the world. The key is consistency. Eat when it's mealtime at your destination, sleep when it's bedtime there, and stay awake during their daytime hours. This simple shift can cut your jet lag recovery time from several days to just 1 day. Quick travel hack for you. And honestly, this one saves me so much time and stress. If you're planning any trip, don't waste time searching all over the internet. Just use Expedia's Travel Helper. It's hands down the best way to book flights, hotels, and rental cars in one simple place. No confusion, no endless tabs. Expedia automatically finds senior-friendly deals, flexible change options, and bundle discounts that other sites simply don't show you. So here's what you do. Before your next trip, use the Expedia link below this video. Trust me, once you've tried it, you'll never plan another trip any other way. All right, let's get back to it. Flight mistake number 6, ignoring noise and sleep protection. The cabin environment is working against your rest from the moment you board, but most passengers just accept the chaos instead of creating their own peaceful bubble. Quality noise-canceling headphones or earplugs are non-negotiable for long flights. The constant engine drone, crying babies, and chattering passengers create a stress response in your body that prevents deep rest. But here's what most people miss. It's not just about blocking noise, it's about creating the right audio environment for sleep. White noise, nature sounds, or even specific sleep frequencies can actually improve your rest quality at altitude. Your brain needs consistent, predictable sound patterns to enter deep sleep phases. The random interruptions of normal flight noise keep you in light sleep, leaving you exhausted upon arrival. A comfortable eye mask is equally crucial because cabin lighting changes constantly, disrupting your natural melatonin production. Choose one that blocks light completely without putting pressure on your eyes. But here's the game-changing detail most travelers never consider. Bringing a small travel pillow that supports your neck's natural curve prevents the dreaded forward head drop that creates neck pain and disrupts sleep. The airline pillows are designed for sitting upright, not actual rest. Flight mistake number 5, skipping compression socks. This isn't just about avoiding blood clots, though that's certainly important. These simple garments can dramatically improve how you feel during and after your flight, in ways most people never realize. At cruising altitude, reduced air pressure causes your blood to pool in your lower extremities. This creates that uncomfortable swelling sensation and contributes to overall fatigue. Compression socks maintain proper circulation by applying graduated pressure from your ankles up to your calves. Here's what's fascinating. Better circulation doesn't just prevent swelling, it actually helps your body process the recycled cabin air more efficiently, reduces overall fatigue, and can even minimize the dizzy feeling some people experience when standing after long periods of sitting. But wait, there's something even more important about your flight outfit that we need to discuss, and it's mistake number 4, dressing inappropriately for altitude. Most passengers either dress too warmly or too lightly, not understanding how dramatically temperature fluctuates during long flights. Cabin temperature varies significantly throughout your journey. It's often cold during boarding, warm during taxi and takeoff, freezing during cruise altitude, and warm again during descent. The mistake is wearing one layer and hoping for the best. The strategy is layering with purpose. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, add a comfortable middle layer you can easily remove, and bring a warm outer layer for those frigid cruise altitude hours. Avoid cotton fabrics that trap moisture and leave you uncomfortable when temperatures change. Your feet deserve special attention too. They'll swell during the flight, so wear shoes that can accommodate this expansion or bring comfortable slip-on shoes to change into. Tight shoes on a long flight create unnecessary pressure points and restrict circulation. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, eating and drinking wrong for altitude. Your body processes food and beverages completely differently at 35,000 feet, and most passengers unknowingly sabotage their comfort by ignoring these changes. Dehydration happens faster at altitude because the cabin air contains almost no moisture. But here's the catch. Most people try to fix this by drinking excessive amounts of water, which leads to constant bathroom trips and disrupted rest. The solution is strategic hydration. Drink small amounts consistently rather than chugging large quantities. One passenger I know discovered this the hard way on a flight to Australia. She drank 3 bottles of water in the first 2 hours and spent the rest of the flight uncomfortably full and making constant trips to the bathroom. Alcohol affects you more strongly at altitude, and caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns for up to 8 hours. Instead, focus on electrolyte balance by adding a pinch of sea salt to your water or bringing electrolyte tablets. Food choices matter too. Heavy, greasy meals require more energy to digest and can cause discomfort in the low-pressure environment. Light, easily digestible foods like fruits, nuts, or yogurt provide sustained energy without overwhelming your system. This brings us to mistake number 2, and this one might completely change how you think about sleep on planes, not understanding how to actually rest in economy class. Most people try to sleep the same way they do at home, which is why they fail miserably. The key insight is that airplane sleep isn't about lying flat. It's about finding the position that maintains your spine's natural alignment while seated. Start by adjusting your seat back as far as possible. Then use a lumbar pillow to support your lower back's natural curve. This prevents the forward slouching that causes back pain and disrupts sleep. Here's the technique flight attendants use. Place a pillow between your side and the armrest. Lean slightly toward the window and let your head rest against the cabin wall with a thin pillow for cushioning. This position takes pressure off your spine while supporting your head and neck. The timing of your sleep attempts matters tremendously. Don't try to sleep immediately after meals when your body is focused on digestion. Instead, wait about 2 hours after eating, then create your sleep routine. Dim lighting, comfortable position, noise protection, and consistent breathing patterns. But here's what I find most interesting, and this is something that will completely change your flight experience. We've saved the most important revelation for last, and it's mistake number 1, not choosing the right seat strategically. This isn't just about window versus aisle. It's about understanding how seat location affects every aspect of your flight comfort. Most passengers book their seats based on price or basic preferences, missing the hidden factors that can make or break their journey. The seat you choose impacts noise levels, temperature, air quality, service quality, bathroom access, and even your jet lag recovery. Here's what frequent flyers know: seats over the wing. Experience less turbulence because that's the aircraft's center of gravity. If you're sensitive to motion, this small detail can prevent hours of discomfort. Seats toward the front of the cabin typically have better air circulation and less engine noise. But here's the game changer most people never consider. Emergency exit rows don't just offer extra legroom. They're often located at the aircraft's widest point, providing more shoulder room and better overall space. However, these seats come with responsibilities, and you can't store items under the seat in front of you during takeoff and landing. Window seats offer temperature control because you can manage the shade, plus a wall to lean against for sleeping. But aisle seats provide bathroom access without disturbing others and easier stretching opportunities. The row number matters too. Avoid seats near galleys and bathrooms due to noise and foot traffic, but don't go too far back where engine noise increases and air circulation decreases. One traveler shared that switching from a middle seat in row 35 to a window seat in row 12 transformed her 14-hour flight from miserable to manageable, simply because of better air quality and reduced noise. Here's your action plan. When booking, check seat maps and reviews for your specific aircraft type. Consider paying the small upgrade fee for preferred seating. It's often less than the cost of one airport meal, but provides 12 hours of improved comfort. Understanding these 7 mistakes gives you the power to transform your long-haul flying experience from endurance test to comfortable journey. The difference between passengers who arrive refreshed and those who arrive exhausted isn't luck or money. It's knowledge and preparation. Remember, beat jet lag from takeoff, protect your sleep environment, wear compression socks, layer your clothing strategically, eat and drink for altitude, master economy class sleep positions, and choose your seat like a pro. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you discover something new about long-haul comfort, subscribe for more travel strategies that actually work. Your future self will thank you when you step off that plane feeling human instead of destroyed.